What's up, guys? We are on Elkhorn Creek. I've made 2 casts and got caught up twice, so I'm gonna start the video over here. Thought we were going to the Kentucky River and followed. All I did was Google Kentucky River access points, and it took me here. And this is Elkhorn Creek. It's not the Kentucky River at all. So I don't know. We're gonna try it here for a little while. I'm gonna wade here a little bit and hopefully hook into some smallies or whatever will bite. If we don't do any good here, we'll go somewhere else.
Feeling good that we found our phone. Oh, you lose your phone? Yeah, we went kayaking Saturday. She flipped and lost her phone. It was in one of the houses from Walmart. Oh Lord! And it was underwater for 2 days. No, I got mine. She lost hers. Okay, so that was good. You too, man.
Oh God, that's a gar! Jordan! Jordan! I see a gar right here.
What is it?
It's a gar!
Gar.
A gar!
You know what gars were?
What?
Rooster tail. Ow. Put that umabushu bug right in front of it.
It's right on it. Oh, it spooked off. It's right there, dude. It's about this long.
Yeah, have you ever caught a gar?
No. If I had a rooster tail on, I'd have threw it at it. That's right where it was. It swam off that way. I just looked over and there it was, just chilling.
They got $1 in their name. We have a great time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where y'all from?
Not here, Lexington,
Oh,
Georgetown.
why is you on the creek?
Oh.
The river sucks.
It sucks.
I mean, if you meet people like me, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm at a redneck yacht yesterday, y'all.
Yeah.
I had a 17-foot slip slide,
Yeah.
a full basketball goal. I got a metal pole and all. Yeah, so I'm looking for the base stick on somewhere. And I got over there, and a slide.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. So I gave her a refrigerator lid, a refrigerator door to put under it. So, oh yeah, when I say redneck, I mean we got refrigerator doors, tires, make it whatever you see in a music video.
Yeah.
I was down with it.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Oh.
You dropped the paddle. Well, this is my new house, guys. What's up, guys? I'm on Barron Creek. It connects to the Kentucky River. This is originally where we intended to go. Elkhorn was not so hot. We've been fishing a little while. No luck.
Have any luck, buddy?
No. You?
No, I ain't been fishing, man. I just come down here. Looking at tracks, man. I'm working. Deer season's here, buddy. I'm just, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just working on my game a little bit.
Yeah.
I like to mix it up, you know?
Yeah.
If I can follow deer tracks to ridge, I can follow them anywhere, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's it. It ain't too much.
Yeah. Hopefully you stock you a big, good one.
There's more fox and shit trails around here than anything.
Yeah.
How about you, bud? No luck
Oh, this is where that whiskey spill was?
Yeah.
We're about to get in here and it's getting shallow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm scraping the bottom.
See if the redneck yacht holds any bass underneath there. There he is, Jordan. Well, hey Jordan. This spotted. Secret was in the whopper plopper the whole time, guys. He consumed this. He wanted it. Lord, he choked it. Hey, how's it going?
Ready one?
Well, it looks like a hybrid, kind of.
Yeah.
Got some lines on the bottom of it.
I saw a guy had one a month or so ago, about like this.
Oh, really? It's a spotted bass, but I don't know if it's considered a Kentucky bass or some type of hybrid.
Cool. You been doing pretty good?
That's the first one I've caught, man. I started seeing them hit it on the top of the water. I said, well, maybe I'll throw some top water, and it worked. Hey, y'all, enjoy your evening. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to keep this video as entertaining as I possibly can, even though I didn't really catch a whole lot of fish out here. We had a good time still, didn't we, Jordan?
We did have a good time.
Yeah, we got to meet some pretty interesting people. Alright, let me get out of the way here. Look at this bridge. Have you ever seen such a bridge just do this? I mean, it's like riding a roller coaster or something. That bridge is doing the same thing over there. I mean, it feels like I'm on a roller coaster right now. Anyway,
Green light.
wrong angling. Like, comment, subscribe, get on the water, and get you some.